Now it's time for the fireside chat session amongst Mr. Sunil Sharma, MD Sales Sophos India and SAP, and Dr. Deepak Kumar Sahu, Chief Editor Bar India.
What is your viewpoints over the increased high-tech crime in the country?
So thank you, Deepak, for asking me this question. Crimes, if you look at in terms of data, the cyber crime has increased, but today the crime which has increased is the where people are targeted. There are sophisticated attacks which are happening to the larger enterprise kind of accounts, absolutely sophisticated, and there they know what a cyber criminal wants to do. At the same time, overall, if you look at in terms of numbers and data, the cyber crime is marching with the same pace and same speed. It has actually not increased, but people who are working from home, because each home has become a branch of your office, okay, and hence people have gone out of their secured perimeter, and today they are working from an environment which is totally vulnerable, and hence the crime is seen more. Sometimes when you are working within a perimeter like we were in the past, the crime was not to be seen very high. Why? Because the attacks were happening but you were in the defenses across, okay, you had that defenses of perimeter. Today the perimeter is just gone away, and you are actually working from your home where you have so much of vulnerability, so much of open stuff that you can be targeted by any kind of cyber criminal attacks. So that is where the challenge is.
Okay, fine. You must be seeing a plethora of security tools and services flooding the Indian market. What is the uniqueness on Sophos?
So thank you very much, Deepak, for asking. Uniqueness about Sophos is the interesting thing. What we launched long time back is synchronized security, where we have products which is next generation security products, not only just at the endpoint, but also at the gateway level, which is the firewall, next generation firewall, and the endpoint. And both these products are talking to each other, sharing the threat intelligence, and that matters a lot. And I have been giving these examples of security guard at one gate with a security guard at another gate. If those security guard at the bank gates are not talking to each other, the fraud and any kind of scam can happen easily. Whereas if both of them have a walkie talkie and sharing the kind of threats which they could be getting attacked to, then the chances are very very minimal. And that's where Sophos has that uniqueness, what we bring it to the customers at a very cost effective value. That is one point. Second important point, what Sophos bring is that we have MTR kind of services. And earlier only enterprise class of customers were using MTR kind of services, that they have a 24 by 7 monitoring whatever is happening inside your network. But all the medium enterprise class of customers, for them it was a costly affair, because you recruit a team of battalion who could do this job, and 24 by 7 they could monitor and they could understand. You can deploy lot many security devices. Security devices reports and give you a report and give you a threat report. Who is going to prioritize those threat reports? Where the vulnerability has been found, who is going to patch that on time? So there is an execution also which is required. So you need someone who can actually act and execute. And that is where Sophos brings their MTR kind of services, where they will monitor on behalf of the customer. And that is the best thing to happen. Customer need not to employ so many people in their CIO office or CISO office. So that is where Sophos uniqueness comes into the picture.
Okay, you're right. Lastly, how are you seeing business Sophos in 1 year down the line?
1 year down the line, there are huge amount of opportunities which are coming up. Although last year was, till now, we have not yet come out of the pandemic, but I have started seeing a lot of positive vibes coming in from so many enterprise and medium enterprise class of customers. People are in need of cybersecurity products and solutions which can actually protect them from the cyber criminals which are moving around. And hence, there is a great demand which is coming up by virtue of our India government, who is completely going to digitize the entire stuff and who is in favor of digitization. And at the same time, when we look at cybersecurity space, there is a huge amount of efforts which are still in pending stage. And very recently I came to know from someone that government has asked all their department to be cyber secure ASAP, which means there is a great demand which is coming in from government segment and a lot of medium enterprise class of customers too. And I can see a double digit kind of a growth coming in at least in this financial year.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Sunil, for sharing the wonderful input. And I wish Sophos will also make the double-digit figure in the year 2021.
Thank you very much, Deepak. Really appreciate. Always love talking to you. Thank you.
Thank you very
Really
much.
appreciate. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your insights. With this, we come to the end of the morning session.